Where do you see yourself in 5 years, and in 10? Without a plan, what motivates you to get up every day? If you don't have the answers, it's time to rediscover your inner flame. A great team is one that shines more together than separately, because some encourage others to shine even more. The way you feel is more important than the way other people see you. If you shine, you'll illuminate the lives of many others and be a source of inspiration for people to see what you can already understand. Getting what you want can be as simple as a matter of attitude. If you have the attitude, success is on your side. If you have an opportunity now, don't wait to see if you'll have it again. Take advantage of it now. What you focus on gets bigger. If you only focus on problems, there will be more problems. Always focus on the solutions, and you will see the thousands of opportunities that are presented to you. Turn your passion into a life project. Enjoy every goal you achieve and love what you do in life. It's time to discover your true potential and to become passionate about it. You have the passion in your veins. Everybody can perceive the energy of what you are passionate about. This creates an extraordinary synergy, where people believe in what you say, because what you say, you do it. You didn't come into the world to compete with anyone, but to learn, to become wiser and happier. Strive to achieve all your goals, making a positive impact on others. Be an example and guide. Don't wait for a perfect time. Take the moment and make it perfect. Feed your mind, make it more powerful and get where you want to go. You have the skills and abilities necessary to create an extraordinary future. Believe in yourself and start acting immediately.